my name is Mrs. Henry. I will be teaching the Child Development course and the Preschool Lab, as well as a few other courses this year at the high school at Mannheim Central. In order to establish some of the procedures that we have, I'm going to focus today on the Wednesday procedure. When you are accessing asynchronous assignments on a Wednesday, Schoology is how I will communicate the expectations each week for that day, Wednesday. Learners must complete the assignments to give credit for attendance that day. Asynchronous assignments will be accessed via Schoology for all learners in grades 9 through 12 on Wednesdays by 8 a.m. In order to be marked present in my class, access the asynchronous lessons posted on Schoology within our course by or around 8 a.m. Access Schoology to not only mark yourself as you've attended or accessed Schoology, but then the second component would be to participate in the class, read over that assignment, share evidence, artifacts, or a submission, depending on the nature of the lesson for that day. And all assignments will be due each Wednesday by 11:59 p.m.